When using creep, we're going to need a few more tools in our toolbox, and one of them is the superposition method. So the superposition method is a method to try to account for stress histories that may not be so kind. So let's say that we have some stress history like this, where we have some stress initially applied and then drops down to another stress, and then it goes and it just kind of continues on in some pattern over time. So what we can do is we can break this into several different sections. So first we can say, what's the initially applied stress? And we can come over and we can apply this stress indefinitely over the life of the structure. So that essentially takes us to the next point. So now we need to say, well, how do we get down to this stress? And we can get down there by applying a negative stress. So we'll apply that negative stress. We'll apply that negative stress at the time when we want our stress to drop and continue on. And then finally at the last point we want to increase our stress slightly again. So we'll include that stress. And what we can do then is we can say that each one of these applied stresses here in the second figure is going to result in some kind of strain. So in each case we're going to have an elastic strain first, and then a creep strain over time. And then in the second case we'll have an elastic strain first, and then a creep strain over time. And then in the final case we'll have an elastic strain first, and then a creep strain over time. So you can see that if we wanted the total strain or the total stress at any point, all we'd have to do is go to that section and sum all of our strains or sum all of our stresses.